How to drive in snowy condition like pro. Subscribe for more videos. Driving in snowy conditions can be challenging, but by following a few simple tips, you can stay safe and in control on the road. Slow down. Snow and ice reduce traction, making it harder to stop and harder to turn. Adjust your speed to the conditions and leave plenty of room between you and other vehicles. Use your brakes carefully. Avoid slamming on the brakes, as this can cause you to lose control of your vehicle. Instead, gently apply the brakes to slow down. If you have anti-lock brakes, ABS, you can press harder on the pedal. Turn gently. Snow and ice can make it harder to turn, so be sure to turn the steering wheel slowly and carefully. Use your lower gears. If you have a manual transmission, use a lower gear when driving up a hill to help you maintain control. Keep a safe distance. Snow and ice can reduce visibility, so be sure to leave plenty of room between you and other vehicles. This will give you more time to react if something unexpected happens. Use your headlights. Snow and ice can reduce visibility, so be sure to turn on your headlights to help other drivers see you. Be extra cautious at intersections. Intersections can be particularly dangerous in snowy conditions, as they are often slick and slippery. Be extra cautious when approaching an intersection and be prepared to stop if necessary. Don't use cruise control. Snow and ice can cause your vehicle to lose traction, so it's best to avoid using cruise control in these conditions. Avoid sudden movements. Snow and ice can cause your vehicle to slide or skid, so it's important to avoid sudden movements such as jerky starts, stops, or turns. Know your vehicle. Familiarize yourself with your vehicle's handling characteristics and be prepared for the way it may react in slippery conditions. Keep an emergency kit in your vehicle. It's a good idea to keep a few basic supplies in your vehicle in case of an emergency. This could include a shovel, blanket, flashlight, extra warm clothing, and some non-perishable food. Don't panic. If you start to skid, stay calm and don't panic. Remember to look and steer in the direction you want to go, and avoid slamming on the brakes. By following these tips, you can stay safe and in control on the road when driving in snowy conditions. Remember to take your time, use caution, and be prepared for the unexpected. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.